Let's take a look. Where's my view? Slideshow. So let's run through this real quick. Okay, so what are a couple of things you guys noticed about that presentation? Good, bad, or whatever. What are some of the things you noticed?
It was kind of fast.
Say it again?
It was kind of fast.
Okay, well, I was clicking that automatically myself, so I had control over the speed. But I wanted you guys to get a sense of the design part of it. Say it again? What do you mean it's the same? Same background. Okay, so yesterday we talked about, or this past week we've been talking about the 3 C's, right? And one of those C's is consistency. So it had a very consistent background. What else do you notice?
Has enough information.
Okay, it's got information. It's got words, it's got pictures, and it's got a title. Pretty good. Huh?
Name of the school. The college.
Okay, name of the school is predominantly displayed. Okay, what else?
Each group of information has its own slide.
Each group of information has its own slide, and that's very, very important. Today you guys are going to be making an outline that's going to outline your presentation, and it's going to just be so that you can organize your information. And I'm going to show you how to do that in just a few minutes. What are some of the things that they possibly could have done different? What about that slide? Huh? Put a picture, right? What about that slide?
It's got too much information.
Too much information. Anybody reading that? What about that one? Too much information. Let's take a look at another one. Excuse me. Let's take a look at one more presentation. What do you notice that about this presentation that's different? Some slides may not have enough information. What else? Chris, you with me? What do you notice that's different about this one than the last one?
Less writing.
Okay, less writing.
Doesn't give that much information.
What'd you say?
But the contrast is good.
Really good contrast, huh?
Yeah.
What provides that good contrast? Light and dark? Look at the text boxes. You guys see there's color in the text boxes? Now let's take a look back at this one. Which would you rather read? Take a look at the pictures. What do you notice about the pictures? They got borders that are consistent with the color scheme. What else?
They got
Picture captions. It explains what the picture is. Take a look back at this one. What is this? How do you know? What else do you notice about the pictures on this one that are missing? Okay, some of the pictures are blurry. We're going to talk about why that is. Say what?
Different shapes. No borders.
No borders. Big one. See the difference in that? See the difference in this? A lot cleaner, a lot professional, huh? Okay. So not only am I asking you guys to look at the information, but now you need to start putting on your graphic designer hat to look at this from an artistic standpoint as well. Okay. How can you make this look good? You'll notice here in the headings, they put a slight little gradient inside the headings. Can you guys see that? That's just something else that makes it a little bit more artistic. They put a drop shadow in the headings up there as well. Any of those elements in this one?
No.
Nope. Pretty plain. You got a list of bulleted text on there. You got a paragraph on that one. Bullets. You got a chart. Look at the color scheme in the chart. Does it match the school colors? Let's take a look at the chart in this one. Matches the school colors. You see? That's the difference between an A presentation and a B presentation and a C or a D presentation. That's the main difference right there. Okay, so now that you get a sense for what this is going to look like when you're finished, now we just need to complete the outline so that you can organize your information. Alright, and for those of you who read the project sheet, I put a list of things that I want you to remember about this presentation. And that is, do your research first. If you can't find good information on that school, then don't use them. Right? So you don't want to come to me on Friday and say, Mr. P, I decided to do the Academy of Middle Eastern Tennessee State University, but I can't find any pictures. Sorry. Okay, so there's nothing I can do for you. So I want you to do your research today. See what you can find about that school. If you can't find anything, then that's not a good school for you to choose. All right. So now, when it comes to creating our outline, I'm going to make a quick, simple little outline. This is not the type of outline that you would turn in for an English paper. I just want you to make an outline so that you can organize your slides and information. Okay. How many slides do you need in this presentation? 10 to 12. Okay. So that means that you're going to have 10 to 12 pieces of information that you need to organize in your presentation. And so